Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add money to your Varo bank account. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. However, if you already have an account, just open the website varomoney.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Add Money on the upper right part of the screen. Click on Add Money. On this page, you will see an option for Transfer Money. Click on Transfer Money. Now, select the From and To account. Then enter the amount you wish to deposit. Note that the To account is your Varo account. After that, click on Next. Review your transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you add money to your Varo bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.